Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Brizi. If you're new here, our mission is to make the complex world of digital health easy to understand. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of digital health. You'll discover what it means, why it matters, and even some great tools to help you get started. Give us a thumbs up if you're ready to explore the world of digital health, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Definition and importance of digital health. What is digital health? Well, think of it like a virtual doctor's bag. Just as a doctor has tools to check your health, digital health offers tools, but online, for tracking and improving your well-being. Digital health is like a virtual doctor's bag, offering a variety of tools to manage your health online. Key components of digital health. Digital health stands on 3 pillars. 1. Personal health tools. Think about them as your digital workout buddies. They monitor things like heart rate, sleep patterns, and even remind you to hydrate. 2. Telehealth and telemedicine. These are your online doctors, allowing you to consult with professionals via video calls. 3. Health information technology. Imagine a digital library, storing your health records securely and accessible anytime, anywhere. In the age of information technology and innovation, being digitally healthy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Benefits of embracing digital health. But what's in it for you? The convenience of managing your health from your smartphone and the power to make informed decisions about your well-being. For the healthcare industry, it means improved patient care, streamlined processes, and the ability to reach more people, especially in remote areas. Digital health offers you the convenience of managing your health from your smartphone and empowers you to make informed decisions about your well-being. Essential digital health tools for beginners. Now, let's talk about getting started. Apps like MyFitnessPal can help track your diet and exercise. Calm or Headspace can guide you in mindfulness and meditation. Doctor on Demand can connect you with a healthcare professional over video call. Just download, sign up, and you're ready to take control of your health. Your smartphone has already replaced your calendar, your alarm clock, and your camera. Don't let it replace your family, use it to improve your health. Conclusion. That's a wrap on the basics of digital health. A modern way to take charge of your health, right from your pocket. We covered the key components, the benefits, and even some apps to get you started. Digital health is a modern way to take charge of your health, right from your pocket. Your wellness journey starts with a tap on your screen. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with friends who may also benefit, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more easy-to-understand digital health tips. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and stay digitally healthy.